Hey there, do you want to add Google Chrome to your taskbar for quick access? Let's make it happen in under 2 minutes. First, let's open Google Chrome. If you don't see it on your desktop, just hit the Start menu or Launchpad and search for it. Now right-click on that Chrome icon in your taskbar or dock. We're about to make Google Chrome a taskbar buddy. For Windows users, just select Pin to Taskbar. Now Chrome's always one click away. On a Mac? No worries. Right-click the Chrome icon in your dock, go to Options and hit Keep in Dock. Now you're good to go. Look at that, Google Chrome is now pinned, taskbar or dock. Fast access every time. And that's it, you've got Chrome at your fingertips, ready for whatever browsing adventures come your way. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and hit that bell to stay in the loop. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.